Can we use Google Form as landing page URL? It will be helpful to get more leads. Also, if we can use WhatsApp link as landing page. No, I'm not sure what you mean by a Google form. You need to have a landing page, and I would always recommend that. You need to have a landing page so that you can put all your tags and pixels. Then have that form on that landing page. You can also have your WhatsApp button on your landing page, and then track how many people came to your landing page and clicked on WhatsApp. So that can all be tracked. And that's what I would always say, track everything, each and every conversion. So it could be a phone call from your landing page. It could be a form submit from a landing page. It could be a WhatsApp click from a landing page. It could be a chat conversation on a landing page, but it has got to be on a landing page. And you need to have a landing page so that you can show them who you are, what you do, what you can offer, how you can solve somebody's pain point and problem. So without that, it's pretty difficult, unless and until your ad shows you are an emergency plumber, immediate response and so on. People are in a rush, or they've broken down in the middle of the road and they need recovery, or you lost your keys and you need a locksmith. In those cases, call ads are fine. But majority of the time, I would recommend you drive traffic to a landing page, and you build up your remarketing list as well after that.